lanes 1 and 2. And here we go. Looks like we're going to have 99 Freightliner and Fred Angle from Landing, New Jersey, and the 98 Kenworth. Gorgeous looking orange pickup. Diesel. Angle's going to take this one easily. As this category here is not good to go. 1475 or whatever it is for Angle. Morris, of Pennsylvania, 07 Volvo, single axle. This thing can scoot. Number 2 qualifier with a 1307, and Walker Blankenship was number 7 qualifier. Knew he had the ground to make up, and he turned a 006 red. .109, not for qualifying effort. Bobby McGee, the old Kenworth, doing a burnout across the start line and locking them up. Comes to a nice sliding stop. Justin's got her wicked up. Away he goes. Reddick, Coopersburg, Pennsylvania. Pickups lanes 1 and 2. By number 1 with a 1297.